Hey guys, what is up? I'm super excited to share with you guys that I have Veo3 on API for extremely cheap. Even though I clickbaited in the past, Veo3 is my favorite video model because of how well it can do narration. I made this system in which we ask ChatGPT for a script for an ad, or we take one that we already have. Then we simply go to our prompt generator, which will pop this up. We make a news reporter. We say the setting is on a farm. We give it this script over here that ChatGPT just came up with a few little tweaks. We give it the character we want to speak. We hit submit. Once we hit submit, it's going to generate a character, a location, and it's going to split the scripts into multiple scripts. Then we're going to hop over here, and you'll notice we have all of the prompts we need for Veo3. And then also, I have my automation currently running right now through the Veo3 API on a third party that's even cheaper, and it's generating us this entire ad that I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. Now, my version is going to be a super basic example that was made for under $3. However, if you want some crazy inspiration of how good you can get with Veo3, check out this Kalshi ad that PJ Ace made that ran on the NBA Finals.
Indiana gonna win, baby!
We're in Florida asking people what they put their money on! I'm all in on OKC!
Indiana got that dog in them!
Will egg prices go up this month?
I think we'll hit $20. How many hurricanes do you think we'll have this year?
Kalshi!
Kalshi lets you legally trade on anything, anywhere in the U.S.
OKC!
Indy! OKC!
This is just an amazing ad, and just recently after, they raised $185 million, so that definitely says something about it. So the entire concept of this is extremely simple. We're just pulling from our sheet, looping over each prompt, generating the video, and then populating it right here. So for example, our first shot will show up as something like this.
Every sunrise starts the same, but no day is ever ordinary.
So you can see everything is pretty good. We're going to have to cut out those captions and cut out the blank space. So we're not going to automate the stitching between videos. Instead, we're just going to have all the files here. And if something generates that's not usable, you can simply just go to done, rename it to do, and generate it one more time. So as soon as these last two generations go down, I'm going to be going into the editor and quickly editing the ad.
Every sunrise starts the same. Out here, it's more than land. It's legacy. It's waking up early, working late, and betting on the weather. It's hands in the soil and heart in the harvest. Because feeding the world doesn't happen by chance. It happens by farmers, rooted in tradition, driven by purpose, growing for tomorrow. Veo Farms, grown with care, built to last.
Okay, so maybe not the best ad in the world, but it is so impressive that it made that off of essentially just one sentence that I sent to ChatGPT and then running it through these automations. Now I'm going to explain how the prompt generator works as well as the video generator, and I'm going to give you both templates completely for free. I'm going to teach you how to set them up and import them into your N8N. So first we'll start with the prompt generator. I actually made this for a different video, but I'll re-explain it. So to start, you're going to need an N8N account, and if you want to support my channel, please use the link below to sign up. It's a referral link. They will give you a 14-day free trial, and then the plan that I'm using and I recommend is this $20 a month plan, or $24 if you don't want to be billed annually. And you can run these automations 2,500 times and even more if you're in the test environment. So both the templates are going to be linked below. All you're going to have to do is go to a new project, a blank project, click these three dots, hit import from file, download both those files, and then it should populate everything like this. If you don't see the Telegram, it's because I deleted it. I now switched it over to the Google Sheets, so the Telegram is not really necessary. But you'll see the first step we have is an on-form submission, where basically you have all the options that I gave you. Now make sure that all these are named the exact same. If you change these names, the variables will no longer be working when it comes to creating the prompts. So the first step right here is to create the character. Basically what we're doing is I have this filled out where it's basically taking the description you give of a character and it's telling the AI to come up with a longer description with skin color, stuff like that, so that the person stays the same between all the shots. This is super important. And the second one is creating the location. Same thing, we're giving it the location that we have from the form, and we're extrapolating on that and making a longer location right here that's going to be used in all the prompts to make it look similar. And then third is the create scripts. Basically, this is just chopping it into the full script into different segments that are going to be used for all of the videos. Pretty simple here, and then each one is going to have a new line. The only complicated part is this code block right here, which you can just leave the same. And if for some reason this doesn't work, there is a chance that the AI doesn't properly do the line break, so I just recommend you run it one more time. I have a full encompassing video on prompt generators that I'm going to have in my over an hour tutorial that I'm currently working on. I spent many hours editing it, so that's going to be coming out soon. But for everyone that needs something to work right now, definitely use this. And this code block is basically all it's doing is it's taking the one item of the long script and turning it into 7 items. And then all we're doing is going into Google Sheets, going into the same sheet, we're dropping the status to do, and then we're using this formula right here, which is just one I've used in all my videos, basically explaining the character, what they're supposed to stay, making it so consistently they say stuff in the ad correctly. And once we have that, everything should be good to go. All the prompts will be here, and then the status will be to do. But they're all done because I ran the next version. And that is the video generator. Now this is actually a really simple implementation. Very similar to all my other videos. All we're doing is getting all the statuses that are to do in this document. So you're going to need to set up an identical document, by the way. It's going to have sheet 1 here, prompt status URL as the 3 top cells. And then you can name it whatever you want. Obviously this one I just reused from my other video. But you can see we turned off return first matching row, so we can do multiple at a time. And then what we're going to do is this loop over items function. Basically, in this example, we had 3 that we generated. So this can generate more than one at a time. Everything that's to do here will generate, and it'll generate one at a time. So this just batches it as one at a time. You can switch this to 2, but you might get some issues in the sense of running too many commands at once. But really, you could just play with this if it's going too slow, because each video is going to take a while. But I left it at 1 to make sure that nothing fails. And then what we're going to do is this HTTP request to this service. Now this is very important. You're going to need to sign up for KIE.ai. It's a Chinese aggregator. And the main reason we're using this is because if we go to Veo3 right here, it's going to cost us only 40 cents per generation on the fast version. Now the fast version is not quite as good, but the official API is costing $6 per clip. So that's where we're saving tons of money. We're saving over 90% really using this, and it's super convenient. So once you go to key.ai, you're just going to make an account. I signed in with Google. Then you're going to go to the API key because you're going to need this for the step. You're going to copy it, and then you can also top up. I topped up $5, and I was able to make that entire video for about half of my credits. And then we are going to go back to N8N. I'm going to teach you how this works. So you're going to keep this URL here for your authentication. This is the thing you're going to need to fix. You're going to need generic credential type header auth key.ai. This is the one I made. You're not going to have one, so you're going to have to do a new one. And then when you pop that up, you can just name it right here. Your name is going to be authorization, and then your value is going to be bearer space your API key. I'll have that typed out in the description, but you just have to type it exactly how it is and put your API key instead of mine. So just bearer space API key. Once you save that, everything should be good. We're just going to be sending body as a JSON, and that just means these value pairs. So we're just sending prompt, and then we're pulling in the prompt that we're looping over. So we're going to be sending this prompt, and then we're going to send model, and then Veo3 underscore fast. This is going to be the cheap version that's going to cost 40 cents per clip. Once we have that, your output should be this success right here, and you can go into key AI if something's not working. And then we're going to go to the next node. That's a wait. I put the wait for 8 minutes. It's taking around 5 to 8 minutes. So this is just making sure that the video is done before we pull it. Next request, same thing. You're going to need your same header auth of key AI. You're going to use this URL now, which will be in it if you import. And then all we're doing is sending this query parameters of task and then capital I and then D. And then we're just sending this task ID that we got from the generation. And what that's going to return is this video file. Then we're going to go over to Google Sheets, similar to how we did before, same sheet. We're going to match on row number. Then I'm going to drag in that row number so we put it on the correct row. Prompt we're not going to change. Status we're going to change to done. So next time we run this, it doesn't run the same video. And then URL we're just getting from that last one right here. And then that should paste the URLs into here when it's done. And then all we're doing is wiring this back to the loop. And this is running through one at a time. So it's going to run through every single one that you had to do. And once it generates them all, it's going to stop. And boom, you should have a file that looks like this. You can just head over, download them all, put them into an editor, create your ad, and everything should be good to go. Everything in this video was completely for free. So to support, please put your email in my newsletter. I'll email you some great updates when it comes to AI and marketing. You can follow my x.com/mentor. I also have a Telegram group, which is super ideal. We got 16 people in here already. So thank you guys so much for joining that. And then also, like I said, I finally got an N8N affiliate program link. And if you've subscribed to this channel, you know it's basically just N8N content because of how powerful the tool is. And it's a really good deal. Compared to Zapier and the competitors, you're looking at like less than a tenth of a price. If $20 is a lot to you per month, which I highly recommend you just bite the bullet and go with it, you can also view my self-hosting video where I can do it even cheaper, but you're going to have to figure out more stuff along the way. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.